Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's a car you just don't see that often, a 69 Pontiac Grand Prix. It's the S Model J, so it has the bucket seats, console. It's a number matching 400 motor, number matched turbo 400, and it is about as rust free as you can get underneath this car. If you go to volocars.com, you can inspect the pictures, you can read the specs, you can get the price, not only on this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next video that comes out. Right now, why don't you join me for this rare opportunity to take a spin in a 69 Grand Prix. I'm in the business. I see thousands of collector cars. One of these pop up once in a while, so it's pretty neat just to see one. Coolest feature of the car is right here, this door handle. My aunt had one when I was a kid, and I just find that really cool. So anyway, starting underneath, yeah, absolutely bone dry sheet metal. It's as dry as a chalkboard under there. The little rubber flaps on the inner quarters or inner rockers, the little weep holes are still there. The spot welds and the factory seams are just crisp and clean. It's never been painted over, so it's not glossy, but if you know what you're looking at, it is absolutely dry, crisp, clean, original metal under the car. Super clean metal. Car's been completely repainted. It's a very nice paint job. The car is straight. It's not a $25,000 perfect paint job, but I would say it's at least as good as a new car would be. There's no flaws to speak of. Let me try and find some. I just see little divots here or there, maybe a little piece of dust in the paint or minor imperfections, but again, good clean body. It's all metal, fits smooth, there's no bubbles. It's all smooth all along bottom here, the factory pinch welds. It's got the Rally 2 wheels in real nice shape, has the original Pontiac lug nuts, got the right center caps. Up front here, it looks like good original chrome. It's shiny and straight, and all this looks nice. But if you're right on it, it's not new. It has a little patina, but it's nice chrome. Windshield's nice and clear. It does have like someone scuffed it with something right there. The metal fits real nice. That side's just as clean, all smooth. The vinyl top's in really nice shape. All this trim is very nice. It's not beat up. Weather strip is nice and soft. Bottom of the door is super clean. This is painted nice. New weather strip. The spot welds on the lower quarter are original and dry. Back bumper's also original. It's good. It's dry. It's got a little patina on it. Super clean, dry metal. There's no patches. It's the original quarter panels. Again, factory seams and spot welds are clean. It has a spare and a jack, painted nice, has new rubber. The interior is in good condition. The rubber seal right here is a little chewed up. It's brittle. Door panels in nice shape. On each side, there's like a square patch. I don't know if they cut a hole at one time and had it repaired. There's a square patch on each side of the door panel, but the armrest is neat. It's got a really cool door handle from the inside as well. You put your hand in the little pocket there and you squeeze it. Power windows, remote mirror. It's a power seat too. Upholstery looks to be in real nice shape. The front seats have been reupholstered. Back seat looks like it's good original. The dash pad is real nice, soft, I don't see any cracks or damage, it fits nice. So it's a numbers matching 400 motor. Big long hood. It's upgraded with an aluminum intake. Looks like an Edelbrock carb. It's an air conditioning car, power steering, power brakes. Does look like it was updated with the R134 Freon. It's very tidy and proper. Got the big giant fan shroud. It just looks proper. Not show quality, but very respectable. It's got all the seat belts. Again, a center console. It's got a tilt wheel. Let me start it up for you. And the VIN number on the motor matches the car. The transmission matches the car. It's got the tag on the side of it. Seat feels good. It's got a clock. Headliner's nice. Visors are nice. Has the shoulder belts. The rear speaker tray is nice. It is the Model J, which I'm pretty certain that's the bucket seats with the console. It's a muscle car version of the Grand Prix. I think it's a good looking car. It's got some nice lines. Body is outstanding. Yeah, really good car here. Door shuts nice. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. You can ask them any questions about the car, the process, delivery, financing. They can help with all of that. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.